Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Roald Dahl. This book was originally banned due to the fact that the depiction of the Oompa Loompas was seen as racist. Roald Dahl was taken aback by this and changed the description of the Oompa Loompas in a revised version.
Let's help you make your mark.
Like many parents, I spent several years reading Dr. Seuss books to my kids to the point where I can still recite pages of Green Eggs and Ham by heart. Now, the Dr. Seuss Company has decided it will no longer publish a small number of their books because they contain outdated racial stereotypes.
Let's help you make your mark.
The book was misunderstood and was seen as being critical of all forms of socialism, rather than specifically Stalinist communism. The American Central Intelligence Agency, CIA, funded a cartoon version in 1955. Because of its illegality, many in Soviet-controlled territory first read it in pirated, samizdat form.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In Texas in 2010, 20 books were banned, including The Diary of a Wimpy Kid and Merriam-Webster's Visual Dictionary. So honor your right to read freely and pick up a banned book. You can find the top 100 banned and challenged books at the American Library Association's website, www.ala.org/bbooks.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.